Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see sold items on eBay using the market research tool. So head over to ebay.com and log into your account. The first thing we need to do is search for the item that we want. Type the product name that you want to research into the search bar. Try to be as specific as possible. For example, include the brand or model name if you can. Let's say for this tutorial, I want the best mechanical gaming mouse. Then I will be choosing the model of Razer. Type it into the search bar, then press enter or click the search button. You will now be taken to the results page. On the left side of the screen, look for the filter section, this one. Scroll down until you see the section that says show only. You can also click on more filter. Then scroll down again and click on show only. Find the filter option that says sold item. Right here, sold item. Click on it and apply. So once you've selected unsold items, it will be labeled as sold listings, and eBay will now show only the items that have already been sold. You can see the actual prices buyers paid for the item. Look at the sold price, the date sold, and how often the item appeared. If many items sold at high prices, that usually means strong demand. If prices are low or sales are rare, demand may be weaker. You can use this data to decide how much to price your item if you're selling, and whether an item is worth buying or reselling. This is one of the most important tools for eBay market research. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.